In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a board in Miro using a full guide for 2025. This step-by-step process is designed to make your workflow smoother and help you easily replicate your projects or templates whenever you need them. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Miro.com. If you already have it saved as a bookmark, just a quick click will do it. Once you're there, spot the login button typically found at the top right of the page. Simply click on it to proceed. Now at the login screen, you'll have a couple of options to sign in. You can either enter your email address and password, or if you're like many others, you might prefer to use your Google account for a quicker sign in. If you choose the email route, input your credentials and click continue with email. Once you're inside your Miro dashboard, you'll see a layout of your boards. Look for the specific board you'd like to duplicate. Next to each board, there are 3 vertical dots, which serve as your gateway to additional options. Click on these dots to reveal a small menu. From this menu, locate the option labeled Duplicate. Selecting this will prompt Miro to create an exact copy of your existing board. This is particularly handy if you're working on a project requiring similar setups, or have a successful template you'd like to reuse. After clicking Duplicate, you'll be prompted to name your new board. Be specific and descriptive with your naming, as this will help you easily identify it later, especially if you manage a lot of boards. Imagine naming it something simple like marketing campaign copy, or even a date to remember its creation context. If your original board is shared with others, and you want the duplicated board to also be accessible by the same collaborators, ensure you tick the checkbox option to share with these individuals. Remember, collaboration can be vital to the success of your projects, and making sure the right team members have access can streamline your workflow. Finally, confirm everything by clicking on Copy, which finalizes the duplication process. With that, your new board will appear in your dashboard, ready for updates or changes as needed, and there you have it, a brand new board, duplicated swiftly and efficiently. These steps make it straightforward to keep your Miro workspace organized and efficient, whether you're duplicating for a new project kickoff or ensuring continuity in an ongoing campaign. These instructions will firmly set you on the path to success. Happy board duplicating, and see you in the next Miro tutorial.